stock 2003 Buick with the exhaust that fell off because I hit a bump and it like fell off. Yeah. So now it does that. Then I got two 12-inch subs in the back that don't work because my amps broke, but they're two 1200 watt Sony Explodes with a Rockville 1500 watt amp going to it, but the amp's blown, so I'm going to buy a new 2000 watt amp at some point whenever I get money. And that's about it, honestly. There's nothing really else to this car.
So how many miles does it have on it?
I don't know. The odometer doesn't work. The odometer doesn't work. My gas gauge doesn't work. Like, that's not
accurate. Your gas...
Like, the little thing here that tells you what gears it in doesn't work. Half the time the speedometer goes out, it doesn't work. Usually there's a security light over here that's on, but it's not on right now.
Wow, well...
Pretty bad.
So your muffler rotted off and it sounds like this?
No, it's on open headers. There's literally no exhaust.
Oh, so you like completely fell off?
Yeah, it completely
but like
fell
it rotted off, or?
Well, the bolts that were connected to the headers were rusty and it hit a bump and they just snapped the bolts.
Yeah, okay.
Like
give it a good rev so we can hear it. You got a bad battery in there?
Well, there's something draining it. I think I fixed it though when I rewired this up. But
yeah.
So yeah, that's all it is.
So that's your 2003 Buick?
Yeah. 2003. Takes a view. Took it off. I've already put this thing in a ditch. I've jumped some railroad tracks with it. I went drifting on the roads. Like, it's pretty fun. Things held up. But yeah, so that's all it is. The horn doesn't work either.
Well, this is awesome. So that's his 2003 Buick with the muffler rotted off.
With no exhaust.
No exhaust at all. Yeah. So it sounds like a hot rod. What?